Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make extra strength natural skin lightening cream using the Promixing base we make this Thursday. You are all welcome back. So we are going to use papaya, carrots and tomatoes to make this whitening cream, even though we'll be using some whitening powder. And the papaya, the carrot and the tomatoes, they are very good for skin lightening or skin whitening. So you wash your vegetable and your fruit, you cut them into smaller sizes. So you cut them. They are very good. You know, tomatoes can lighten skin, the same time whitening skin, the same as the carrot and the papaya or pawpaw. Some of us call it pawpaw, others call it papaya. So if you have that fruit, you can use it to make body lotion, body cream, even body scrub, and it's going to work or going to lighten or going to help fade your dark spot. So that's what we are going to use. Simple ingredient. Make sure you remove all the seed from your papaya or your pawpaw. Add the papaya, carrot and tomatoes to food blender, then you blend it. We are going to blend it. So this recipe is so easy to make, and the good part is that we are going to use our Promixing cream base to make this lightening cream, which you are going to really like or love. Blend it for 5 minutes because you want to make sure that everything has blended well. Yeah, so you blend it. You don't want any fiber in it, so make sure you get a good food blender or food processor so that we won't get any fiber in it. It should be looking like a thick cream consistency, so make sure you blend it very well. And using a strainer, strain the plum from the liquid. So you have to get a strainer that have little holes. That's what I'm using. Or if you have a cheesecloth, you can use the cheesecloth to strain it, because we don't want any particle or any seed or nothing in this cream that we are going to make. So make sure that you do that so that you won't see seed in your cream. So you keep doing it. I like the mixture. It tastes good. It tastes good, but I can't eat it because it's for my extra strength lightening cream. So you can see what I'm saying. If I didn't strain it, all this is going into the cream and it won't look nice in it. So you have to strain it. So now we have it. After you're done straining it, measure the quantity you need for this recipe. So I have written the recipe in percentage and in grams. So you need 36.5% boiling water. That's 91.25 grams. We also need 36.5% carrot, papaya and tomato mixture. That's 91.25 grams. And we are also going to use 2% Kojic acid. That's 5 grams. And 2% Alpha Arbutin. That's 5 grams. And 20% cream base. That's 50 grams. So this cream base is the one we make this Thursday. So that's it. And we need 1% honey. That's 2.5 grams. Also we need 1% preservative. That's 2.5 grams. And we also need 1% fragrant oil or essential oil if you want to use that. That's 2.5 grams. So this recipe is so easy to make. Cover the container and boil the water in a microwave. So you need to boil your water because we need very hot water to dilute our cream base, because the cream base is very cold and thick. So that's what we need. Add your cream base to heat safe container. So this is the cream base that we did last week, and this is how it looked like. You can see it look like mashed potato. So it doesn't contain preservative, this cream base. That's why I told you to put it in the fridge. So you add your Kojic acid and your Alpha Arbutin to it, and add the boiling hot water to your cream base. You stir very well. So you gently stir until it melts completely. So you can see now. So it's so easy. It's so easy. Even if you don't want to use the fruits and the powders, just add the water to it. Just add water to it. And so now add your fruit mixture and stir very well. And this, you have your whitening or your lightening cream. So I love the color. I really love the color. I love the color. And my friend is going to like it because I'm going to give it to a friend. So you stay blend for 2 minutes so that everything will mix very well. So this cream, I'm giving it to a friend because I have stopped using lightening product for the past, I think, 4 months now. So I'm back to my normal color, and I do this every year for my own reason, because most time I want to detox my skin. I want my skin to look healthy. So most time every year, those who follow me on Instagram or those who have attend my class before, twice or 3 times before, they know sometimes they will see me as a white person, and the following time year they will see me as a dark person. I'm used to that. That's me. Not because I make skincare product and I make lighting cream so I have to look light. No, I don't let my customer tell me what to do with my skin. That's one thing about me. Not because I sell food so I have to eat the food and look fat so everybody will see that I sell food. So you add your optiphen plus preservative when the temperature is around 170 degrees. But if the temperature is low, just microwave it for a burst, like just a second, so that you get the heat of the temperature so that you can add it. Stir the mixture very well. Stir the mixture very well. I like the color. I really love the color, and I know she's going to like it. So let me answer this question and just read through. I remember the question. Somebody asked me, how did I get the percentage of the ingredient to formulate the recipe? Yes, when you buy cosmetic ingredient, please read the label or the description. Every cosmetic ingredient have the percentage range that you can use. They have their percentage range. Example, some of them will say you can use that ingredient 5 to maybe 10% or 1 to 2%. So if I say 1 to 2% or 5 to 10%, example that I'm giving you, you will choose between that range to formulate your product. So when you buy cosmetic ingredient, or those in Africa, most time they don't even write the description on it because of I think the customer, their own selfish reason. They don't want us to know where they bought the ingredient from, so they don't write it on it. Just ask them how to use it, the percentage of that ingredient, the range, because every ingredient have their percentage range. And normally when it comes to cosmetic making, the water quantity that you use for your cream or your lotion, the percentage range from 70 to 80%. So the more the water, the thinner your lotion. The less the water, the thicker your cream. So I hope I have explained it better for you. So that is how I get the percentage of each of my ingredient. You can research online too and learn more about it. So after you add the preservative and you blend it, you allow it to cool completely. Then you pour your lighting cream to your clean container. This makes 250 grams of whitening or lightening cream, but I decided to use 4-ounce bottle in this recipe. So you see this bottle as 4 ounces, but it make 250 grams. So I will put the rest in another container. The shelf life is 6 months because it's fruit. Let me tell you the truth. If you are making this to sell it, don't make a large quantity, make a small quantity to sell, because fruit products are very difficult to preserve it. So you have to use the best quality preservative or the high quality preservative, because once again, fruit product is very difficult to preserve it, fruit and milk product. So please try to use the right preservative. So this is the recipe in percentage, and also this is the recipe in grams. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share my video, and click on the notification bell. Bye bye.